Good medical morning. Blackheads and whiteheads, what's the difference? Both blackheads and whiteheads are clogged pores, but the opening of the pore is different in each. In a blackhead, the part of the pore at the surface of the skin is stretched and open. The black color is dead skin cells, bacteria, and oil stuck down in the pore. Ew. Because the top part of the pore is open, the scientific term for a blackhead is an open comedone. A whitehead is also a clogged pore, except, unlike a blackhead, the top of the pore is not stretched open and exposing the clogged portion. The pore is still clogged, but the surface of the pore is closed. So dermatologists call these closed comedones. We have found that blackhead removal tools are the best way to treat blackheads, and sometimes whiteheads, without scarring. Not all are the same though. The better kits will last you a lifetime, while the cheap kits will cut you and spread bacteria. We'll put a link to our favorite in the description below. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone Extractor Kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.